Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to today's social studies lesson. Today, we're going to be watching a quick video, and we're going to be talking about needs and wants. So, our I can statement. I can determine the difference between a need or a want. Okay, so we're going to watch a quick video, and then we're going to go over it, and I'll go over your seesaw activity. Alrighty. Oop.
Hey, Moby, what are you doing? What are you saving money for? A pony? You don't need a pony, Moby. What needs do people have? A need is something people must have to live. People need air to breathe and food to eat in order to survive. We also need water and shelter or a safe place to live. And we need clothes. People can have different needs. Right, Moby. Communities help people meet their needs. Communities provide water and electricity and have hospitals and homeless shelters to help people meet their needs. You don't really need that to live, Moby. What do people want? A want is something people would like to have. What do you want to have, Moby? You may want those things, but you don't need them to survive. You could definitely live without a pet monkey, Moby. Sometimes people want more than what they need. I see commercials, ads, and catalogs for cool stuff that I really want, but I know I don't need. Besides, my allowance won't cover everything I want. How do people get what they want or need? Many people have jobs and work to earn money. Then they use the money to buy goods and services. Goods are things that people sell or buy. Shoes, bikes, computers, and groceries are all kinds of goods. A service is work that someone does for someone else. Some people offer services to fix things, or drive people places, or help people stay healthy. Producers are people who sell goods and services. Consumers are people who pay for goods and services. Sometimes people want more than what they can have, so they have to make choices. Well, I really want some ice cream. Chocolate peanut butter crunch. But I'm saving up to buy Grandpa a birthday present. I want ice cream, but I should save my money. People have to figure out what they can afford and what they need or want. Moby, maybe you should forget about the pony and save up to buy Grandpa a birthday present too. What should you get him? A pony.
Alrighty. So I do want to go over those two really important vocabulary words. They went over goods and services, which we're going to talk more about tomorrow, but is a need. So a need is something you must have to live. So you need air, you need water, you need food, you need a shelter, you need a roof over your head, and you need clothes, right? So those are all things that you need in order to live. You have to have those, right? And then there's other things like services and stuff that can offer those, right? But you need those. The other vocabulary word was a want. So those are things you would like to have. So like a phone, pets, toys, things like that. Those, a computer, a tablet, in this day and age, headphones, those kind of things. Those are wants. Those are not needs. I do not need a phone in order to live. I need a house and clothes and food and water, right? So I need those things to live, but I do not need toys or pets or a phone. So these are wants. These are things you'd like to have. And the important thing about wants is that in order to get these, you need to work to make money in order to get them. So that's the important thing about needs and wants. And you also have to think about, what do you want to do first? What's most important? Is it more important to make sure you have food on your table at the end of the day, or to have a new iPhone 11? Well, it'd be more important to have some food on your table, right, than compared to having an iPhone. So for your seesaw activity today, you are going to, I'm going to share my screen just so I can show you. You are going to be sorting these emoji pictures into what is a need and what is a want. So you're going to be sorting these items. So you have a cat down here, a ring, a laptop, candy. This represents water. Bread represents food. A race car, a shirt, an apple, a house, a bike, and a shoe. So you're going to move these into what is a need. It's something people must have to live. And then you're going to move this into want, something people would like to have. That's all you have to do. Use the hand tool, move those objects around in what is to a need and a want. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye, boys and girls.